Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Moua for class 5 grammar. We have started our revision for semester 2 chapter 5. In this chapter, new topic is transitive and intransitive verbs. The object in a sentence is the word that receives the action of the verb. Object, do you know? We prepare sentence with subject plus verb plus object. The object in a sentence is the word that receives the action of the verb. My father bought a blue car. My father bought, but what? Then we replied a blue car. So here a transitive verb always takes an object. The self holds, incomplete without an object. What the self holds? We don't know about its answer, means object. Next sentence, the self holds 3 books, complete with an object. Do you know 3 books? It's an object. A transitive verb always takes an object. So here the self holds 3 books. 3 books is an object. So it's a transitive verb. An intransitive verb does not take an object. The train arrived. Proper, we understood its sense, its meaning. The train arrived on time. No object is needed. Many verbs can be either transitive or intransitive depending on how they are used in a sentence. The audience watched the play Julius Caesar. It's a transitive verb. The audience watched. But what? The play of Julius Caesar. The cook watched while the vegetables were being cut. Intransitive verb. Cook watched. No need that objects. So it's called intransitive verb. An easy way to find out whether a verb is transitive or intransitive is to ask the questions who and what to the verb. If there is an answer, the verb is transitive. Here they given example. Winnie played cricket. Winnie played. Who? No answer because already given Winnie played. But when we ask question with what? So the verb is transitive. Winnie played. But what? Cricket. So the verb is transitive. Smita slept early today. Smita slept. Who slept? Already they given Smita slept. So no answer. But Smita slept what? No answer. So the verb is intransitive. Smita slept early today. Okay. I hope you understand the difference between transitive and intransitive. Here they given exercise. Do more and more practice. Another way I give that analysis, explanation. A transitive verb is a verb that accepts one or more objects. This contrasts with intransitive verbs which do not have object. Keep in mind, transitive verb having object, intransitive verb do not have objects. Transitivity is traditionally thought a global property of a clause by which activity is transferred from an agent to a passant. A transitive verb is one that only makes sense if it exerts its action on an object. An intransitive verb will make sense without object, without one. Some verbs may be used both ways. Once you have this concept committed to memory, spotting the difference between transitive and transitive verbs is quite easy. Understand no? Transitive verb accept object. Intransitive verb do not have object. Okay. Some verbs can be transitive or intransitive. Here some example. To run. I ran the show. Transitive. I ran but the show. Ran. To walk. She is walking the dog. Transitive. She is walking there. Intransitive. To eat. Let's eat pie. Transitive. Let's eat. Intransitive. No need object. It's called intransitive. Do having needed that object, it's a transitive. Okay. I hope you understand and do more and more practice these exercises of state whether the verbs in red are transitive or intransitive. The bookseller sold some books to the boy. Transitive. What the bookseller sold? Books. Okay. The little boy cried. Intransitive. No need objects. The sun rose up in the sky. Intransitive. The sun rose up. Not needed object. I took a bus to my uncle's house. Transitive. She understood the question. Transitive. Yes, I don't like people who tell lies. Transitive. I wrote a letter to my friend in England. Transitive. Sunita bought a new dictionary. Transitive. Okay, I hope you understand the revision of chapter 5. In next video, we revise our next chapter 8. Okay, do more and more revision. Thank you.